Hey folks, my name's Matt, also known as the UKAstroNut, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about what exoplanets have we found so far. So an exoplanet, if you remember, is a planet that's going around another star other than our own, the Sun. So around the Sun there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But around other stars in the galaxy and the universe there are also planets. Now only about 20 or so years ago that we first discovered one of these other planets. And since then we found 1,800 or so, which is a huge number. And the number is going up exponentially, so we're finding more and more each year as the technology and the instruments get better and better. And so we're trying to find and study these exoplanets because they give us some indication of how stars form, how planets in general form, and we can relate them back to our solar system and see, is our solar system unique? We want to find out different types of systems there are, i.e. how many planets does each star roughly have around it, what's the average number of planets, what are these planets, what the sort of the layout like. In our solar system we have the small rocky planets very close and the big gaseous planets further away. I mean, is this what most systems are like? We want to know stuff about the planets as well, what their atmospheres like, what are they made of, what are their typical sizes and their masses. So this is why we're trying to study exoplanets. And so far, in terms of the systems, we found around 450 systems have, so systems I mean the star and the planets around the outside. This whole thing is a system. And so far we found about 450 systems or stars that have more than one planet around them. Now obviously a lot of them have only one planet, but these ones that have more range from about 2 planets to 7 planets. And actually one of the stars, HD 10180, terribly named star, but this actually has 7 planets around it confirmed, and 2 potentially more that we just can't quite confirm yet. But this would take up to 9 planets around the star, which would be more than we have around our very own Sun. So it would seem that maybe our Sun isn't unique. Maybe a lot of stars have many planets around them. And we're trying to find what types of planets are around here as well. So at the moment our technology allows us to see the bigger and closer planets to the stars. This is just how we detect planets. As they pass in front of the star we can detect the shadow that they cast and the light that they block out, and this favours bigger and closer planets. And the other techniques as well favour these. So a lot of the planets we found so far are big gaseous planets that are really close. But we know that there must be lots of smaller planets as well, but we just can't detect them. So this suggests that a lot of the stars that we've detected having no planets might have some, they might just be too small for us to detect. Or some of the stars that we've already detected planets around have even more planets, but again we just can't see them yet. So there might be a lot of stars that have more than 8 planets around them, and our solar system might just be just a general average boring one. There might be stars with 20 or 30 planets around them, really crazy systems. And we're also studying the atmospheres of these planets. We're finding that what kind of chemicals are in the atmosphere, is there water, is there oxygen, things that are needed for life. So far we're finding stars with lots of different numbers of planets, from 2 up to potentially 9 planets. So it seems that our solar system isn't very unique. We're finding a lot of big gaseous planets, and ones that are very close. But this is just the techniques that we have of finding exoplanets. And we think there's probably smaller planets as well around stars, but we just can't detect at the moment. So these are kind of exoplanets and systems that we're finding at the moment. I hope you learnt something about how what kind of exoplanets we've been finding so far. Thanks for checking out the video. I've done more videos on exoplanets as well, so you can go back and check those out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check me out on Twitter, UKAstroNut. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.